How to sublimate several memorial ribbon pins at one time. For this task, I am using my Epson SCF 570, which is a wide format sublimation printer. Prior to applying the ribbon onto the sheets, I tape the sheets down for stability. Now I cut the ribbon to the size I need. The size I'm making for these memorial pins are 78 inches wide by 8 inches long gross grain ribbon. You can use whatever size width and length ribbon you would like to have for your memorial pins. I am going to use some Spray and Bond temporary adhesive in the purple can. Do not get the red can because the red can is a permanent spray. If you decide to try it, let me know how it worked out for you. So basically I'm going to do a light mist over the image. Not too much because you do not want the image to bleed. Now I just lay my ribbon face down on top of the image. If you are finding this here tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and follow. When pressing my ribbon, I have my ribbon on top and the image on the bottom, and I cover it with parchment paper. That a craft. My temp time is 400 degrees at 45 seconds. And voila, the ribbon came out perfect. Now it's time to assemble. I start by crisscrossing my ribbon in the shape of a bow. When designing your ribbon, be sure you are not putting text or images in the areas that will be hidden during the crossing. Put some glue in the center where your ribbon will meet. Be careful not to burn yourself because you will feel the heat from the glue. Hold for a couple of seconds to make sure the glue and fabric bonds together. Clip the tails at the end to continue to form its shape. Flip the ribbon over and hot glue your pin on the back. Now burn the tails to keep the ribbon from fraying. Now your memorial ribbon pin is complete. This tutorial has been in memory of Destiny.